This is the first time riding the Triumph. It's a 765 RS 2024. I bought the bike like 2 years ago, but I barely have ridden it. It has like, I don't know if you can see, no, it doesn't show it. It has like 300 miles or something. I've been waiting for an exhaust. I had the 2018 765 RS, and it was my favorite bike, by far my favorite bike. And so I got this bike, and I've been waiting for an exhaust, and they've taken forever to come out with an exhaust, but finally SC Project came out with an exhaust, and I got the bike tuned. Apparently it's supposed to make 120 horsepower to the wheel, whereas it was making 90 before, which is insane. So if that's true, that's actually wild. So let's find out. Trying out this new mic setup. I got one in my helmet and one in my backpack, so hopefully you could hear the exhaust a little bit better. Let me do a turn around here. Let me tell you what though, it sounds so much better. Holy, it sounds so much better. Alright, some gravel here. Let me take it slow. Yeah, I miss riding. It's been a while. Obviously I rode the bike here, but that was before that, probably a year since I rode. The bike's just been sitting. So it's a long story, but I got them transported here to Austin, and basically, oh yeah, you can tell I don't know how to ride. Wait, let's try this real quick. That sounds so much better. That sounds so much better. Oh, the wind feels good too. But anyways, I had this and the Husky. I have a Husqvarna 701 Supermoto, and they were both shipped to me. It was like a 1,000-mile journey, and when they got to me, they were just so messed up because it was open trailer. I'm never doing open trailer again, transport. They came so messed up, so I had to get them detailed. I had to change the chain on them, because basically I had, and I'll throw up some videos and pictures, I had a cover, bike cover on them, and essentially the bike cover got ripped up, like it got torn to shreds. So I had to get the bikes cleaned up. I had to make sure everything was good with the chain. It was a whole ordeal, but the bikes are in good shape now. I got the new exhaust on the Triumph. Everything's good. It sounds insane, dude. It sounds way better. Way better than stock. So yeah, I got the bikes back, got them detailed, had to swap the chain. Basically the chains had fibers, like cloth fibers from the bike covers. They were completely torn up. I had to swap. Thankfully I didn't have to replace the sprockets, just the chains. I'm I'm happy to have this bike back, and it's been gone for like 2 weeks. Just getting the exhaust, getting tuned. So far, so good. It sounds so much better. I remember the first Triumph I rode, I think it was, I don't even know, it was like 2013 or something. The first street triple. It was like 675. And it had an exhaust. Ever since I rode that bike, I've been like, I need to get an exhaust on one of these bikes. Love the quick shifter. It's so smooth, so much smoother than the Husky. But I had the 2018 or 2019, and basically it didn't have any aftermarket exhaust. I just had the OEM. And it was a great bike. I love that bike. I rode it everywhere. I never got it. I don't know if I was like afraid to get an exhaust or something, but I just never got an exhaust for it. And then fast forward today, I got to 2024. I wanted to go all out because I know how much I love this platform, how much I love this engine, this bike. So but the bikes are completely different. Like, they serve a totally different purpose. I don't know how to describe it. It feels like you're free, you know, like you're out in the open. It's just so fun. It's totally different. I used to ride all the time. I used to ride to work, and I loved it. But now it's like, this is more of a recreation thing now. Like, every once in a while, just because it's so dangerous, you know, like I constantly think about it now. And yeah, now that I have the cars, I just mostly drive those, and the bikes are like a nice special treat. I gotta get it up in the rev range and see what it sounds like. Maybe at the next stop. This thing sounds sick. I will say, I think the best sounding bike I ever owned was, I had an MT-07 that had its ECU flash. I had air intake upgrade, and I had Black Widow exhaust. That was the best sounding bike I've ever owned. This is pretty close, so I'm not gonna lie. Pops too. I'm warming up to it. When you're rusty, it feels awkward riding, but you get the hang of it pretty quick, I think. was fun just to shift the regular way, even though you don't have to. I'm so used to rev matching with bikes, but I still can't do it on a car. I don't know what it is. I can do it on a sim, but I don't know, like my legs literally don't reach. I don't know if I got to move the seat back on the Blackwing. I don't know. When I try to do it, like I literally can't angle my right foot enough when I'm on the brake. I can't angle it enough to hit the gas. It's so weird. But then on the sim, I could do it. So I think maybe I need to pull the seat back more. I don't know. That was fast, red light. This exhaust is sick. Tell you what, it's getting hot in Texas. Summer wasn't too bad, but when you go riding, it's like a whole nother level. You feel it. So wearing all this gear, it is hot. Yeah, just a short little ride testing out the new exhaust. It's sick. This bike needed an exhaust. It was so quiet. Like you could barely hear it. So I'm glad I finally got it done. The bike is complete. The bikes are complete now. feel like when I get a new vehicle, I just gotta get all the mods out of the way so that I can enjoy it. Let's do this turn here. Yo, that's sick. That is sick, dude. Can't wait to get the 360 camera on here so you guys can see me and the surroundings. That'd be pretty cool. The Osmo one I ordered, it came out like last month, but I guess in the US it's backward. I have not gotten anything, like, I'm still waiting on it. Not turning there though. Let's stay right here. The roads in Texas are so awkward, man. There's so many times where I have to do a U-turn or I miss a turn or... Good day for a quick ride. I'm ready to put it back in the garage though. I am sweating. I feel like in Austin it's probably like October time is when it's going to be a good riding time. When it cools down a bit, because right now it's hot. Nothing like Florida. I can't believe I rode in the summer in Florida. I rode in the summer and the winter didn't matter. I rode all year round in Florida. The summers were crazy hot though. I don't know how I did that. And I don't even have the gear I have now, which is like the thinnest possible jacket I could find. One single layer jeans. I know I had the whole thing. I had the mesh jacket. I had textile, all that. Now I just wear this little thin thing and I got an airbag vest on. See, what is that? What is that little turn? What is the point of that? It's so awkward. Just do a regular intersection. What is this? There's two lights to turn left.